You just created a pivot table and you have adjusted the widths so that it fits into your layout. But every time you refresh, the columns take its previous width. It auto adjusted the widths and you are annoyed. If so, to fix this, right click inside the pivot table, go to pivot table options. In the layout and formats tab under pivot table options dialog box, at the bottom you will find auto fit column widths upon update. Uncheck this option, click OK, and now if you fix a certain column width, this time upon refresh it will not go. Your column widths are fixed. I hope this trick will help you. If so, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Bye bye.